Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are doing project for data warehousing this semester, movie lens data warehouse and group C. Our group member is Wahida Asmani, myself, Habiba Haidari, another group members Zalikha Jafar and Muhammad Reza Sirat. So each of us will divide our part and we will participate in this project and help each other to do this project successfully. Introduction. Our title is Movie Lens Database. Movie Lens Dataset, we take the source from Kaggle.com, which have over 45,000 movies information. It contains 4 tables, which are movies metadataset.csv, rating.csv, keyword.csv, and credit.csv. The problem which issues in the current movie recommender system, which do not have any filtered process to avoid any negative content in the movies. So for this, solving this problem, we need the information metadata about the movie, which include title of the movies, genres, overviews, synopses, production companies and the production countries, much more. Rating of the movies, keywords of the movie to identify the plot of the movies, and source table, the list of tables in the source database, which we are using 3 of them. One of them is movies metadata. Movies metadata includes movies ID, original title, belongs to collection, budget, overview, popularity, poster path, production companies, production countries, release date, revenue runtime, language, tagline, word average, and count. And the second table, which is rating tables. The attribute is rating ID as a primary key, time stamped, user ID, movies ID as a foreign key, and rating that record all rating stored for each movies. Credits ID as a primary key, director name, credits details, and movies ID as a foreign key, which we delete this table in the second stage of our project, because as we try our best to get the good exact information as a movie on these 3 tables, as the minimum table is 3 tables. Keywords we are using keyword ID as a primary key, keyword name as another attribute, and movies ID as a foreign key. This is the 3 tables: movies metadata, rating systems, keywords we are doing project.
So okay, I'm going to proceed with the second part, which is business process. Movie recommender. In movie recommender we have some point, so I'm going to explain it. The first one aims to solve the problem regarding on the issue of the current movie recommender system, which is not really suitable for the current trend of the movie nowadays for the Muslim users. Therefore, this system are using the rating method based interested of the people who are already with the movies to build a recommender system on movies from 1950s to 2018. To build a content-based and collaborative filtering-based recommendation engine which have the awareness of the plot of the movie, which can help to identify any unsuitable content for some users. This can achieve by using the keyword dataset, by building content-based and collaborative filtering based recommendation engines. So it's
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Habiba. I'm going to continue the presentation with dimension modeling. Our source table is movie metadata, ratings, and keyword. Our DIME table is DIME rating, DIME movie metadata, and DIME keyword. For the DIME table, we choose the attribute for each dimension which are relevant to our data movie, and create for every dimension a surrogate key. In the worksheet, we define every attribute to be clear in the next step, which is ETL plan, such as the rating key. We specify the data type, size, example of each attribute, and foreign key, primary key. We will continue this process for other two-dimension table, which is DIME movie metadata and DIME keyword. For the dimension modeling, the name of our fact table is fact recommender. The dimension name is DIME movie metadata, DIME ratings, and DIME keywords. Each of the table has already been set one alternate or surrogate key, which are named movies key, rating key, and keyword key. For the surrogate key will deliver a unique key for use by the dimension and fact table. For this dimension modeling, we use lookup in order to handle the referential integrity of the key.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alika binti Jaafar, and I'm going to continue the presentation video of our group. So for the next phase is about the ETL plans. For the first part of the plans is our group did the source to target mapping. So the source that we acquired from the internet is the movie lens, which it contains over 45,000 information details about movies, and then the database also contains 3 tables, which is movies metadata, ratings, and keyword. So therefore, we created the dimension tables, 3 dimension tables and 1 fact tables, which is movies metadata, dimension rating, dimension keywords, and fact recommender. For the next part about the ETL tools, in this project also we have used the SSMS, which we use it to import the flat file, the CSV file, and load it into the movie database that we already created using the SSMS tool also. So next we're going to use SSIS, which we will use it for the fact table loading and also the data quality checking. Next part is the default strategies. These plans, we use it, we do the adding value to the data by removing the mistakes and continue with correcting it. So for example, that the mistake we got in the source table is about the name of the attribute, which is not really suitable for the attributes. Next is about the more detailed source to target flow mapping. So when building the fact table, we already processed all the dimension tables in the SSIS, even before the key lookup steps in applied for the fact table. In this step, yes, we're also going to use SSIS. The last part is about the fact table loading. Also using SSIS tools, we applied the lookup dimension keys using the natural key, which is the alternate key that we already created in each of the dimension tables to look up for the right source of each attribute in the fact table. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.